As dawn approaches, dark shapes scuttle across the prairie, emitting a low, cooing hum that carries over the grasses for over a mile. The dance of the greater prairie chicken has begun. Performing on leks, or booming grounds, that the chickens use for many years, males establish territories within the leks. Dominant males take center stage, with subordinate males located off stage along the outer edges. The action takes on a frenzied pitch when a hen appears. Approaching from the lek's edge, she nonchalantly walks through the lek, pausing to watch each performance and then moving on. Hens normally do not mate when it's windy, extremely windy. That's a subordinate male flying to the top of the blind to attract attention. An innovative move. Wings lowered, feet stamping, tails clicking, orange air sacs inflated, males try to outcompete their rivals to attract the hen's attention. Those that fly straight up and flutter their wings are using a tactic called flutter jumping. Here, a subordinate male demonstrates his drumming. Fights between males are impressive, but normally don't result in harm to each other, just some missing feathers. The appearance of two females on the lek intensifies the male's efforts and interest. 3 males surround the 2 hens, with a 4th dominant male coming in from a skirmish with a subordinate male that tends to stay along the edge of the lek. Here is the inflated air sac, the raised eye combs, and the pinnae, or feather tufts, used to attract the female. The male that flew up onto the top of the blind never got too far with the hen. Once the hens leave, everything settles down to start again the next day. Leks are active from March through the beginning of June. And then the next year, the lek show will start all over again.